In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you could actually start making up to $500 for projects using Google Translate. Okay, guys? So it is going to have to be, you are going to have to put some work into this, but I'm going to walk you step by step. I'm going to show you everything, how to do it, what to do. You're going to actually like this, okay? If you guys are new to this channel, guys, first of all, thank you for coming in. Appreciate you guys coming into my channel. Please subscribe, like, and hit that bell, that ding ding bell, right? So you guys can actually get notified when I do post a new video. In this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, and that's my main subject, my main topic I talk about because I do that and I help other people do that. But I also talk about different ways to make money online, okay? For example, like in this video, online businesses, passive income, pretty much talking about money on this channel, right, guys? So I don't want to chat a lot. Let's get into this video here. We're going to be making money using Google Translator, right? Up to $500, even probably more, depending on the project that you guys pick, all right? Let's go into my computer here. So this is my main YouTube. Let's go ahead and go into YouTube. The first actual place that you're going to want to go into is going to be called Lathium, okay? Lathium.org. It's right there. So you kind of see how that's spelled. And in this area right here, we're going to be talking about doing freelance, okay? Becoming a freelancer, doing little jobs for other people that need little jobs, right? Little side hustle jobs or whatever the case is, okay? So before we get into this and how to make money on this, stick with me to the end. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually start making $1,000 days commissions from what I'm doing. I'm going to show you what it is, how to do it, all that stuff, just like you see up here on the side up here. So stick with me to the end, but let's get into this video here, okay? So Lathium.org, you're going to become a freelancer. So before we get into it, I'm going to show you how it actually works. So we want to work as a freelancer, okay? What we do is we're going to browse the projects, and I'll show you right now. We're going to see what we like, what we're actually interested. We're going to actually do the jobs. When we get accepted, we're going to complete the jobs and then of course get paid. It's pretty simple as that, okay? So, but in this situation, we're going to be sticking to translating, okay? Because that's what we're going to use as far as Google. So when you actually come in, you're going to go up to the right-hand corner and you're going to sign up for free. You're going to log into your account, all that stuff, become a freelancer, okay? Once you actually do that, you're going to come up here to browse and you're going to go to browse projects. Okay, now you see that they have a lot of jobs here from YouTube blogging, right? Creating projects, descriptions, translation. That's what we're actually going to do right now. A little bit, drone pilots, and you actually get paid in different ways. Check this out. Hubert right here actually pays out in Bitcoin. So that's actually pretty good. So I did actually recently just make a video about Bitcoin, how to make money with Bitcoin, okay? I'll put it up to this card up here in the corner so you guys could actually go and check it out. But we're not doing that today, okay? We're going to be looking at making money, okay? So these are all different projects, but we're going to be sticking with translating. Come up to the right, top right, left-hand corner, scroll all the way down to translation and languages, okay? So here, this is where we're actually going to be looking for, okay? So you kind of see that there's a lot of projects ranging between 135, 150, 35, maybe something small, okay? So we're actually going for the big ones. Check this out, 100 to 500 paying out in Bitcoin. That's not bad, that's pretty good. 400 to 500, okay? So it looks like they're actually different kinds, different ones. I'm gonna go ahead and just click on this one right here, okay? So this is gonna be just for an example. So they want a 224-page PDF scan, okay? So they obviously want us to translate something English to Spanish, and I'm assuming it's gonna be into a PDF, okay? They're gonna probably make it into either a book, ebook, brochure, whatever the case is. Our job is just to actually change it, translate it, all that good stuff, okay? So once you actually accept the job or a job project that you want, you're gonna obviously going to bid on it. You're gonna put your information and everything. Once you get accepted, okay, they're gonna send you the work. They're gonna send you all that information that you have to translate. Once you do that, you're gonna go over to Google Translate, okay? I already pulled it up. You just go to Google, type in Google Translate, go into their actual, their website, and you're actually just gonna copy and paste the whole thing, okay? So I actually have a little thing here and I have it in Spanish, and you can kind of see that it automatically already changes it, and they detect it. The Google detects that it's in Spanish. You already see it here, and they translate it in English. Now, a lot of this stuff, if you actually read this, it actually makes sense, but a lot of the other stuff that you have to do, for example, when you have to translate it, it doesn't really make sense when you actually translate it from Spanish to English, whatever, right? Sometimes it doesn't make sense. That's where you're gonna have to go in there and kind of proofread it, you know, because you don't want to just turn in something just plain Jane into the project, because they're not going to pay it, right? They're not going to be satisfied with their work. You're going to have to read it, make sure it makes sense, you know, actually put a little bit of work into it, okay? You could either do that, or you could actually come up to this next website. And I know you've actually heard me talk about this in my other videos. If you guys have seen my other videos, Fiverr. Fiverr is obviously a website where you have a bunch of freelance workers, freelancers working, doing this type of stuff, all right? Right here, you're gonna actually type in, we can type in Spanish to English, translate, right? Translate, and cannot spell, there we go. And I didn't spell Spanish right. And right here, you can actually hire somebody to do that, right? So let's say, for example, I would translate from English to Spanish, or from Spanish to English. Let's say, you know, you just kind of pick a person that would help you out. You're gonna click on them. You're going to message them, hey, can you guys actually proofread for me? I've actually already changed it over, but I want you to proofread it for me, whatever the case is. Look, starting at $5, depending on how much she charges you, you know, you're still gonna make a profit on that on the other project. So you're gonna send that information that you have from Google Translate, this whole thing that you translated, you're gonna send it over to, let's say, Annie, right? Amy. And she's gonna proofread it. She proofreads it, she sends it back to you, you pay her, and then the actual proofread, you're gonna actually submit it to that actual project. So simple as that. That's actually what you gotta do, and that's how you can start making money with Google Translate, okay? This is actually a very simple task. Of course, you do have to actually get a couple more people, some people involved, for example, Fiverr, if you don't wanna proofread it, or if you wanna pick the jobs or whatever the case is, right? If you're actually starting off and you don't have money to spend on Fiverr, you could definitely proofread it, right? Obviously, if it makes sense or whatever, turn it in, you start getting paid, using that money to reinvest. That's as simple as that, guys. And actually, I have seen that. I personally have not tried it, but I have seen my friends that actually have tried it, and they actually do love it, okay? It's just something that if you do love it, if you enjoy doing this type of stuff, you will actually continue to go forward, and you will actually start making money on this, okay? I make videos, different videos, so you could actually pick your section, your subject, right? Maybe one thing, maybe doing service ain't your thing, maybe this is, okay? I make different videos so you could actually pick it, understand it, and if you like it, you're gonna go with it, and boom, you're gonna start making money at home online, all right, guys? So it's as simple as that. That's all you really have to do. Now, since I was saying in the beginning, I'm gonna show you how I make money online, how you can actually start making $1,000 commissions, just like you see up here. From this is you're gonna want to click on my first link, okay? It's gonna look just like this, like you see up here. It's gonna look just like this. It's gonna be my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Not only because I believe in it, but I also do it. This is actually what I also do, and this is what I help my students. I help them. I teach them. I make them understand, and also they're on their way to financial freedom. All right, guys. So a lot of people actually start making money online, whether it is to quit their 9-to-5 job. They don't like their boss. They want to fire their boss. They want to have more money so they can send their kids to college, buy that dream house, car, whatever the case is, right? Save for retirement. You could actually make money online. All right. Now, this is a side hustle that you could actually do on the side for 1 to 2 hours a day, right? You could, and then as it starts getting bigger and building up, obviously you could put a little bit more hours in it and make more income. All right, guys. So if you do want to learn on that, the link is going to be, the first link is going to be down on the bottom here, so you can actually check it out, go in through it. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave me a comment on the below. I'm going to get to you guys. If you guys have not subscribed, and if you found value from this video, please hit that like, subscribe to that channel, and hit that bell, that ding ding, all right, guys? So I could actually send you more videos when I do post them, all right? So that's pretty much it on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment down to let me know where you guys are coming from, if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one, all right? Peace.